The training is truly
that all of their neighbours and the good communities are cohesive communities. When people know what's taking place, it should be decent work. Work should be not just about what you can knock out of a worker, but also about how the worker can fulfil themselves. And in a shopping centre like this today is a great celebration of cooperation. So you would not only get the